Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. Today is Friday, 14th March 2025, and as you guys can see, my profit for today, well, it's actually $332.50. It only shows 507 here because it's actually a swing trade, and I have some other trades that I want to show you guys which were a swing trade. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, so this is ticker symbol NVIDIA, NVDA. You guys have seen it's just been a crazy week, you know, with the market being up and down. The volatility has been just so crazy. So for today, you guys could see that it was actually a massive like green day for a majority of the stocks, some going up, you know, some good percentage. This one here is 5.27%, which is absolutely insane. And that's you know, that's what we want. We want to, you know, lock in those gains. And yeah, so I'm just want to take it back to you where I actually bought in this trade. So let's go back. When I actually bought into NVIDIA, it was on the 3rd, March 3rd. You guys could see I bought in 100 shares, nothing too crazy, you know. I just wanted to do quick swing, and this is why I told you guys, if you look at my previous videos, if you ever feel like you're going too heavy, sometimes just you know, go half with the shares, or just go with less shares, and then after that you can start, you know, adding more to your position. So for NVIDIA, I did 100 shares, 117.32. You guys could see it took a huge dive. Sure, I could have sold out here, you know, 119, but I was looking for more like a $300, $400 profit range. And that's exactly what I did. You know, once I hit my profit range, you guys already know this. I have my plan whenever I'm trying to get into a stock and I'm trying to get out of a stock. And I do have the exit position, you know, video recorded. I could show you that in a second. What I do want to, you know, show you guys is make sure you read the charts properly. So this is why I didn't go heavy. If you know from my first time when I did, at least in the beginning of the year, for my first trade with NVIDIA, I went, you know, I took 600 shares. Instead of being 600, I took a lesser position because, you know, the profit that I have with NVIDIA, I don't want to just give it right back. So we're doing smart swing trading, and that's how you actually lock in profits, and you don't, you know, end up just giving back all the gains that you've made throughout the year. What I'm trying to say is just go with less, make a plan, and yeah, that's exactly what I did. I did 100 shares, 117.32, and then you guys could see clearly it went down. It went down, how many that's like 16%. So if you think about it, 16%, you know, obviously I could have actually added to my position once it started to reverse, but instead I decided, you know what, I'm going to stick to the original plan. This is going to be like a $300, $400 profit range, and that's exactly what I did. I stuck to my plan, and I didn't get greedy. Like that's you know, you try to be patient and not be too overconfident in yourself, and you'll be consistently making profits. So I didn't add to the position. I just left it as it is, came right back up with the nice reversal here, after market into pre-market this morning. And that's when I noticed, I always set my alerts when I'm doing swing trades, so you guys could see that for pre-market, you guys could see that we had this nice gap up. We just keep uptrending. You can see it uptrended. However, when the market actually opened, we usually get this dip because everyone's just trying to lock in profits. It's also Friday, so you can't blame them. So with the sell-off in the morning, we had this nice push up, this nice gap up, then the sell-off. Again, I didn't want to lock in too early. This wasn't, you know, between my profit range that I was trying to shoot for. And once I set it, you guys could see on the video, once I set price, my exit price position, that's when I locked in the profits, and I walked away with $332. Again, you would see 500 that's on the day because that's pretty much how it is, but in general, what the profits that I actually walked away with is actually $332. You can actually check it yourself with the shares from 117 to selling out at 100 shares at 120.65. So that's it for you know, at least for NVIDIA. The next ticker symbol that I want to share with you that I actually did a swing trade is actually Google. So I just want to show you that really quickly. Again, it's going to show you 277. That's not the actual profit that I walked away with. For this one, for this particular trade, it was actually $79 if I believe. So I could show you on the 180 day. Okay, yeah, so for the swing trade, I actually did 100 shares at 166.71. This was yesterday, which is on the 13th, as you guys can see, on the 13th. And then I sold out this morning, 100 shares, 167. I could have held this for a longer swing trade. However, being how volatile the market has been recently, I'm not going to take any chances. I told you guys this before, you know, especially going into the weekends, you never know what can happen. So yeah, so for this trade, like I said, it was $79. However, on the whole, if I look at it from the week, for my first trade on the 11th, I walked away with $62.50. I think I made a video about that. The second day was the 12th. I didn't make a video about this because it was only like $18.50. I have a screenshot there. I can show you that. It wasn't, you know, any crazy profits for me to just make a video about it, you know. So that's when I decided the next day, once I get this nice gap down, when things went lower, this is when I decided, okay, I'm just gonna get in, you know, at 166.71. And then this morning, when we just switch back to this here, this morning, once we opened up, we get again the same pattern. We had to sell off and then nice reversal going all the way up. Everything was pretty much up, the futures, all that stuff, you know, at least for today. We don't know what next week is going to give us, so I just locked in my profit, sold out 100 shares, 167.5, giving me 97 on the day. So if I add everything for the entire week, that would be like $160, you know, which is nothing crazy. But for the day trades, the 2-day trades plus the swing trade, you know, but profit is profit, you know, that's the main thing. And you know, you could ignore this 277. Like I said, you can actually add it up yourself and see the profits when you do the calculations. I'm all about, you know, transparency on this channel. As you guys know, I'm just pretty much documenting my trading journey, and yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. So nothing too crazy, but as a whole, so if I add up everything with all the swing trades plus the day trades that I've done for this week, it's been a $500 week, which is, you know, pretty nice. And yeah, profit is profit, like I said. So let me ask you guys this in the comment section. How did you guys actually do for this week? You know, did you actually trade Nvidia? Did you trade? Yeah, if we take a look at Tesla and all these other companies, we could see they're actually bound for a reversal, and everything's just been, you know, going higher and higher. But yeah, so how have you guys been actually doing with your trading sessions? Let me know in the comment section down below, you know. If you have any questions or anything, you know, you already know, man, you know what to do. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. And yeah, you know, we can see that this market has been crazy, so be careful out there. Especially, it seems like a bear market, but you know, who knows. We'll see if it actually continues going down, like the downtrend, or we're actually bound for a reversal to you know, go back up to higher highs. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions down below. So yeah, make sure and smash that like button, you know, the notification bell, subscribe, man, all that stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.